Kids bed.
Wake up. It's morning.
Wake up. It's morning.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Get ready for school.
Get ready for school.
Come here.
Come here.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Get dressed quickly.
Get dressed quickly.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Stay here.
Stay here.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Play nicely.
Play nicely.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Don't talk too much.
Don't talk too much.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Time to study.
Time to study.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Don't run.
Don't run.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Come inside.
Come inside.
Go outside.
Go outside.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Drink your milk.
Drink your milk.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Stop playing.
Stop playing.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Thanks for watching.